In today's digital world, cybersecurity is a must-have. The rise in cyberattacks, data breaches, and ransomware means the demand for skilled cybersecurity pros is skyrocketing. But keeping up with these real-world threats isn't about theory. It's about having practical, hands-on skills. Traditional training methods? They've served us well, but come with their own challenges: high costs, limited flexibility, and a disconnect from real-world situations. Cybersecurity is fast-paced, and the training should keep up. That's where virtual IT labs come in. Virtual IT labs can be simulated software setups or real hands-on environments that recreate the complexities of IT infrastructure. Think of them as a cyber training ground, safe, flexible, and scalable, letting professionals practice skills like penetration testing, incident response, and threat mitigation in a secure, controlled space. Key advantages of virtual labs and training: safe space for experimentation. Virtual IT labs provide a safe setting where cybersecurity trainees can explore vulnerabilities and experiment with defense strategies without risking real systems. Scalable and accessible. From home, a cafe, or halfway across the world, trainees can access virtual labs anytime, making cybersecurity education flexible and available on demand. Cost-effective training. Forget costly hardware and physical labs. Virtual setups save on infrastructure while still offering top-notch hands-on experience. Real-world scenarios. Virtual labs simulate the kinds of threats professionals face every day, preparing them with relevant problem-solving skills in a realistic environment. Virtual labs don't just teach theory, they build essential skills. Penetration testing. Trainees learn to spot and exploit vulnerabilities safely, sharpening skills as ethical hackers. Incident response. They practice responding to cyber incidents step by step, prepping for real-world attacks where every second counts. Threat mitigation and analysis. Labs support ongoing threat tracking and analysis, giving trainees the defensive skills to stay ahead. Companies like VMware and Hack the Box are already using virtual IT labs to transform training. VMware, with its cyber readiness labs, lets teams practice threat detection and response in real-time scenarios, building quick and confident responders. Hack the Box's labs offer over 1,200 real-world simulations, allowing teams to train in advanced corporate setups, gaining hands-on skills that transfer directly to the field. Looking ahead, the potential of virtual IT labs is even greater. With trends like AI-driven threat simulations and VR-enhanced scenarios, labs will continue evolving, creating unique, immersive training experiences tailored to the latest threats. For any organization looking to stay ahead, virtual IT labs are the way forward. ReadyTech offers scalable, customizable lab environments designed to meet the unique demands of cybersecurity training. Our virtual labs boost team resilience, response readiness, and ensure your team is prepared for whatever comes next. Ready to elevate your cybersecurity training? Connect with us at ReadyTech and let's get started.